How to hide videos on iPhone. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to hide videos on your iPhone using the Photos app and not using any third-party apps. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the Photos app on your iPhone and simply choose the photo you want to hide. You can simply hide more than one video as well, but here we are simply showing you the example of how to hide it. So now all you have to do is tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner of your screen of the video. So this is the video I want to hide. Once I tap on it, a drop down menu will appear. From the drop down menu, all you have to do is simply tap on hide option available there, and it will be hidden to your hidden section in your photos gallery. Confirm the hide and this will be moved to hidden album. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.